Do you want to get rid of that stubborn tan but don't want to use harsh chemicals? In this video I'll be sharing 5 natural homemade remedies that can help lighten and remove a suntan quickly. These remedies use ingredients you likely already have at home and are gentle on the skin. Hey everyone! Summer is here, and while some sun can be good for you, too much can leave you with an unwanted tan that just won't budge. Instead of using an expensive tan removal product loaded with chemicals, I'm going to show you how to make natural homemade scrubs and masks using common kitchen ingredients to safely fade and remove a tan. Transition. Let's start with the easiest scrub that takes just 2 ingredients you probably have on hand: lemon juice and sugar. The citric acid in lemon works as a natural bleaching agent, and when mixed with sugar, makes for an amazing exfoliant. Recipe 1. Mix equal parts fresh lemon juice and sugar to form a grainy paste. Apply it to tan skin and rub in gentle, circular motions. Let it sit for 5 minutes before rinsing off. Use this 2 to 3 times a week to lighten tan. The sugar will scrub off dead skin while the lemon lifts the tan. Transition. Next up is a super effective mask with gram flour and yogurt. Gram flour deeply cleanses while yogurt contains lactic acid that breaks down melanin responsible for tanning. Recipe 2. Mix 2 tablespoons gram flour with 1 tablespoon yogurt into a spreadable paste. Apply to tan areas and leave on for 20 minutes before washing off with water. Use this every other day for fast results. Transition. If you have oatmeal in your pantry, it makes for an amazing tan removal scrub. It is a gentle exfoliant that also soothes sunburned skin. Recipe 3. Grind ½ cup oatmeal into a powder. Mix with a little water and apply to tan skin, massaging in circles before rinsing off. This is gentle enough to use daily. Transition. Moving on to tip number 4, potatoes. They contain mild bleaching properties that can reduce the appearance of tan when applied topically. Recipe 4. Grate 1 potato and extract the juice. Using a cotton pad, apply the juice to tan areas. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and wash off. Do this every day to see quick results. Transition. Lastly, for stubborn tan, try this super effective tomato, lemon juice and yogurt mask. Tomatoes have natural bleach while lemon and yogurt work together to exfoliate dead skin and fade tan. Recipe 5. Blend 1 tomato with 2 tablespoons lemon juice and 1 tablespoon yogurt. Apply evenly to tan skin and allow to dry completely before rinsing off. Use 2 to 3 times a week for dramatically lighter skin. There you have it, 5 natural homemade remedies using common kitchen ingredients to remove tan safely and effectively. These are gentle enough for daily use and can get your skin glowing in no time. Give them a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.